Alright guys, my name is Craig with Squappy's Videos, and today we're going to be unboxing a OnePlus 8 Pro. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're actually going to go ahead and unbox this OnePlus 8 Pro that I have here in this nice red box. We're going to do this a little ASMR style. So what we're going to do, we're going to take nice, trusty, rusty, gross razor blade, and we're going to unbox this guy. So let's see if I can get the microphone to pick up on this. Okay, and then we're just going to peel the plastic off. Alright, and as you see here, we do have the OnePlus 8 Pro here, and their never settle logo overall. OnePlus has been pretty big on that philosophy overall. So we're going to go ahead and use their pull tab and get the phone out. Alright. So here we have the OnePlus 8 phone. Looks like the model number on this one is the IN2025. Overall, this does seem like a very nice, sleek little phone here. It looks like it actually has, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's actually a little bit of a pre-applied screen protector on it. You might be able to see it right here in the camera section here. Let me see if I can pop it onto the GoPro. So we are looking at a pretty nice device here overall. So let's press this side button here, see if we can get this to power on. And we have the OnePlus logo showing powered by Android. Alright, and we got its power on. We'll go through the setup of that in just a minute here. I'm going to set that guy down. Let's go through the rest of the unboxing here. So, a little pull tab. We're going to go ahead and open some things up. Looks like what we have inside of here is some safety information. Alright, quick start guide. FCC SAR values. Okay. And then it looks like we might have some stickers here. And an invitation letter. Well, I'll have to open up that in a few minutes. We have a little SIM card tray removal tool. So, get that put back into the box here. Alright. Let's go through the rest of the the unboxing here. Wow. it actually comes with a case. Comes with a case right here inside the box. That's honestly shocking. All right, let's go ahead and finish up this unboxing. So now we have the USB cable, which is actually USB-C. It's USB-A to USB-C. It actually goes with its warp charge. This is the warp charge plug. Now this thing can charge up a phone fast. I will put the exact numbers right there up in the video right there. But anyways, so here we are with the charger. So overall, looks like we don't have too much bloatware on here. It's a nice, smooth phone. Did actually do some installations whenever I connected it to the Wi-Fi for Google One, Google Podcasts, and Google News. Other than that, it also did a system update right out of the gate, which it does say here it has been successfully updated, so that's good. From what I've been told, is that the updates actually do come pretty frequently, just like a Pixel does. So I'm pretty excited about that. But overall, guys, this is going to be the video on the OnePlus 8 Pro. I will have some affiliate links down in the description down below for probably some just equipment I use. I think I have an affiliate link for this phone. If I do, it will be in the description down below. If not, I'm sorry. Anyways, my name is Craig. This has been Squappy's Videos. If you have liked this video, definitely hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon on your way out. So that way you do get notified about new videos that I do post. Anyways, guys, once again, my name is Craig. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye, everyone.